guys, welcome back to another video, guys. And I know I haven't made a video in a while, guys, and I'm finally back, guys. Well, what we're gonna be doing right now, guys, I'm actually gonna be ordering something, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry, my recording is bad, but I'm gonna be recording something. But so, guys, I'm about to go to Google real fast. You guys will see what I'm recording. Okay. Google. I found the one. I don't want this Lamborghini right here. $23. I need it. Guys, hold on. Wait, I want to shop. It's not focusing. So, guys, I don't know when that thing's gonna come, guys. So, guys, I was looking for a Lamborghini because I'm gonna get one for my dad. Because almost his birthday. So, guys, I got him a Lamborghini. He's gonna be so surprised, guys, and I hope he likes it. So, guys, I have to wait until. This always happens in my videos, didn't it? I have to wait till it comes. So I'll catch you in about. I said the order's gonna come in about 2 days. So no, I think tomorrow. Let's go. Let's just check. I think this is it, guys. I don't know. I gotta go. Guys, I just put the shirt on I had from yesterday, guys. I couldn't really find no clothes. I forgot where I put all my clothes, guys. I don't know why. But yeah, so let's get right into this, guys. So, I guess this is it. I don't really know, guys. So let's just try it out. Try it out. So ready? I do not know how I'm gonna open this. Kids, definitely don't play with this at home. I'm just trying to open this. Okay. Got my bag. So I got it open. Kids, definitely don't play with that at home. So guys, I think... Oh, it is. I think this is it. It's not a remote control card. It's just this. Oops. Yeah, it's just this. It's pretty cool, I guess. Only thing we don't know, we gotta test how fast it is. You guys ready? Go! Guys, that was fast. Ugh. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like and subscribe and pop it. Hit the like button until it blows up, until it turns blue. Then please give me a like. Bye-bye.